Well, just attached the front strut on there, port side. Got a hole drilled in that. Trowel fitted that. And laid off this for drilling. I'm gonna go do that now. Welcome back. Minimax 1030S build, me Scott. Up underneath the wing here. Going to mark this other piece and drill it next. Slide these holes back till they match. Okay. Now I just need to mark those. Let me double check the dihedral. I think it's okay, but let me double check it. Looks real good. Looks real good. All right. All right, now I gotta go drill that. Got it marked front and back. All right, let's see how it fits. Goes right there. All right, we got one strut done. Let's work on the next one. I'm gonna put a little quick disconnect pin in here too, like I got over there. Of course, I gotta tighten all these nuts and bolts up after I get it fit on there good. All right, I got this cut down to close to size. Here. All right, let me go cut that, see how that goes. two at least. Okay, so to get the back dimension right, I need to know the washout. All right, gonna check this incidence one more time before I set this rail. All right, there we got incidence exactly 1 inch, like the where it is at the body, which means zero washout. Never dealt with that term much till lately. That's the incidence of the wing being consistent all the way across the wing. For different aeronautics and stuff, you can make the bend, the wing a little twisted and this and that to do different stuff. Anyway, here we go. Cool. Under the tarp. All right, got my piece cut. Let's see what happens. There. Big ones. This one. Goes a lot of back and forth. And as you can see, that wing is secure, it's bolted on, struts are on. Only thing I gotta do now is get the airline on, adjust it, cables and all that. But it's ready to be taken off the cover. I don't have any of the nuts and bolts tight yet. And that'll change things a little bit, but not a lot. So, I have my lovely wife who's out there, if you can hear her now, mowing. Talked her into mowing so I could work on the plane, help me carry in the other wing. And as soon as I catch my wind and get all my ducks in a row, we'll put that one on. And looking like an airplane, right? Hope you enjoyed it. Guess what? God give us a beautiful day today. The sun's not shining much. It's real humid. It's getting ready to rain. That's why we got to cut the grass. But it is just as pleasant out as you want to see it. And I hope He's blessing your day. If don't see you again, you know where I'll be. Keep looking up. That's where He's coming from. That's where I'm going. How about you? Take care.